Good morning class, this is your science class and today we are going to read lesson 6 and the name of the lesson is teeth and microbes. Teeth and microbes. Okay. This is everybody knows that newborn baby has no teeth. There are very rare cases when an infant and born babies with teeth. Okay, for most children, that first tooth will appear around 6 months. Okay, functions of teeth. Teeth help us in chewing, biting, grinding and swallowing. Okay, teeth help us in chewing, grinding, swallowing the food. Okay, this makes digestion easy. Teeth help us to speak. Help us to speak clearly. Teeth give a proper shape, a decent look to our mouth, face. Okay? Two sets of teeth. By the time the child is 2.5 years old, it has 20 teeth. These teeth are called milk teeth or primary teeth. Okay, milk teeth are not permanent. Between the age of 6 and 12, milk teeth fall one by one and the new ones come out in their places in some time. Okay, these new teeth are called permanent teeth. They are 32 in number, 16 in the upper jaw and 16 in the lower jaw. Okay, kinds of teeth. All our permanent teeth are not of the same shape. Okay, they are 4 types, namely incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Four types of permanent teeth. First is incisors, second canines, premolars, and the fourth one is molars. Okay. Incisors or cutting teeth. Okay. The four front teeth in each jaw are flat and have a sharp, straight edge. They are called incisors, as they help us to cut food, and they are also called cutting teeth. Okay. Now, canines or tearing teeth. On either side of the incisors there is pointed tooth. Okay. These are two such teeth in each jaw. These teeth are called canines, as they help us to tear the pieces of food, and also called tearing teeth. Premolars or cracking teeth. On other sides of the canines in each jaw there are two broad teeth called premolars. Thus they are 4 in each jaw and 8 in total. They are meant for crushing food, as they act like nutcrackers. They are also called cracking teeth. Molars or grinding teeth. Molars are the last 3 teeth on each side in each jaw. They have broad, uneven surface for grinding the food. That is why they are also called grinding teeth. The structure of a tooth. A tooth has 3 parts: the crown, the neck, and the root. Structure of a tooth. Tooth has 3 parts. Okay. First is crown, second is neck, and third is root. The crown, second one is the neck, the third one is the root. Okay. The part of the tooth that you can see is called the crown. The outer part of it is covered with a hard white material called enamel. Okay. The enamel is the hardest material in our body. It protects the tooth. It is often shiny and act as a tooth's dentine, a yellow bone-like material that is softer than the outer part. Dentine makes up the largest part of the tooth. The center of the tooth is called pulp. It is soft and contains blood vessels and nerves. When you eat hot soup, bite into cold ice cream, fall or hurt a tooth, it is your pulp that hurt. Nerves in your teeth send signals to the brain about heat, cold or pain. A glue-like substance called cementum keeps the teeth connected to the jaw bones. Okay, this is okay for today class. Now we will continue from here next class. Okay, in the next class. Till read the lesson carefully. Okay, and try to find out the exercise of this lesson.